y'all. This is a mystery bulk box. Actually, we just don't remember what we ordered. So we're just going to open it and see what we got.
I think each box we get, you're getting a little faster at opening them.
No.
Is it good?
This one's a little different what we usually get. I see. Alright. Ooh, snaps! Y'all see that? Alright. 1 pack of Honest diapers. Aren't these pretty expensive? I think these are like pretty expensive. The famous person does these. I know the famous person.
Well, I'm just saying that's that MLB logo right there, so
Ooh.
It's got to be worth something.
This is better than nail polish.
Now I know why I bought that, yeah, because of those.
See, you've got... Oh, these will definitely sell. 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm telling you, I get good boxes.
7, 8, 9, 10. Let's take all the Play-Dohs off first, though. 12. Holy shit, 12. 13, 14, 15. 15. 16. 17.
You gotta say it louder for the people in the back.
18 Play-Doh boxes, y'all.
18?
18 Play-Doh boxes.
18?
18. Alright, the next one we got is... we were just talking about lights, and we definitely gonna see these all in our videos. Some Leon, like, oh, Taste, try me.
Oh! Look at that.
So we got...
Try them all. Try them.
See, these don't got boxes, but...
Ooh, that one's blue.
Look at a different shape.
That looks like a middle finger, but...
Alright, this one doesn't turn on, but... Oh, because it's not connected. But that's cool. Oh, this one doesn't have the... Probably it's batteries. So we got 3 of those. So before we even try selling these, we gotta actually connect them and try them out. Oh, this is a photo clip string lights.
Okay, that looks nice.
A little sleep sack. Swaddler thing. For the babies.
Alright. I think the reason why I got this is because of the Play-Doh.
Play-Doh?
And it was a salvage one too, I think.
Okay, so we got this. What are bibs? Yep, little bibs. We got lion, elephant. Alright, so it looks like we got a lot of the same stuff. We got...
But that's good though. They look like sellable
items.
I think we won't have any problems selling those. Those are the pictures.
Yep. And the lights as well. So we got 6 of these. We got little baby pacifiers.
Nice.
Brand new. Still even got the Target thing. Oh, another bath bomb. We could put like sprinkles in there.
I'm starting to think people do not like bath bombs.
See, and I thought they were like popular. But that's a bath bomb. This is another one of these. I hope this works. See. Oh, y'all see that? I don't know if you guys can see it.
Oh, look at that.
So that's kind of cute. We're up to our last item. It's a spa in a jar.
Spa in a jar.
Nail polish. I don't know if y'all can see that.
Okay.
Bath bomb. So how much was this box?
I think $80.
Including shipping?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's $80, so where's my phone?
It's $50 because of the price drop. I believe it was like a 47% price drop on bulk.
Okay, how much? We gotta do the math, how much is per price. But I don't think we'll have a problem selling these and all these Play-Dohs.
We make our money back right away, right off the Play-Dohs.
Yeah. So these lights are actually really cool. I think we're gonna keep maybe this one and one of these. Ooh.
I like them. Those look actually really nice.
Alright, y'all. This is all for today.
You gonna show me your mannequins?
Have a good one. And we got these mannequins, so we're trying to get rid of these, but